It is Thursday morning, about 6:30 a.m. Hurricane Debby, I guess it's came back inland about 2 a.m. It's the highest I've seen this water in the 6 years I've been here. The wind's not too bad, picks up, but this was a pond. Now it's a lot of water out here. Remember, we're at one of the highest points of this subdivision. There's two parts in this circle, more or less a circle, that will flood. Not for long, a day or two, but all this water will be gone in a couple of days. Where's all the water go? It goes downstream. So when looking at real estate, think about the typography and where you're at. This is a whole lot of water. I'm going to go for it. It's like a horseshoe pond. It's connected. There's coming up on that bridge there. The water's almost up to the bridge. Watch some of my other videos, show what it typically looks like here.